Hello students. So students, last time we have discussed about the remainder theorem. Okay, so today's topic is the factor theorem of any polynomial. ठीक है, मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फैक्टर थ्योरम, सपोज कीजिए, मान लीजिए कि मेरे पास क्या है कि पी ऑफ एक्स कोई भी एक पोलोनोमियल है जिसकी की डिग्री क्या है, ग्रेटर और इक्वल टू 1 है. ओके, whose degree is n which is greater or equal to 1, then and in that particular situation the a be any real number. a क्या है, कोई मेरा रियल नंबर है. तब ऐसे केसेस में क्या होता है, x माइनस ए इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ दैट p ऑफ x. मीन्स जो x माइनस ए होगा वो क्या होगा, मेरा उस p ऑफ x का एक फैक्टर आएगा निकल के. और ये आएगा कब, ये तब आएगा जब p ऑफ a मस्ट बी जीरो. Means it is what, the zeros of the polynomial. If the zeros of the polynomial is zero, become zero, then only the x minus a will be a factor of that particular polynomial. Suppose चलिए एक सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन समझते हैं. As we know there are 2 and 3. The product of 2 and 3 is what, 6. Means we can say that the 3 and 2, this 3 and 2, they both are the factor of this 6. Okay, means I hope, means whenever you will divide this 6 by this 3, then you will get the 0 as well, and whenever you will divide this 6 by this 2, then also you will get the 0. Okay, so means that the situation, if we are getting the 0 as a remainder, then that particular number is the factor of that number in your simple mathematics form. But in case of the algebraic expression, if the x is if a is a factor of, if a gives the zeros of the polynomial, then x minus a will be what, the factor of that polynomial. Let us see. So last time, let's prove. So last time we have discussed about the what, remainder theorem. So from remainder theorem, I hope you know the remainder theorem. So from remainder theorem we got what, the p of x equal to x minus a into g of x. So, or you can say that it was your g of x and it become your q of x plus p of a. It was your remainder theorem. But for a particular situation, if p you can say the p of a is a 0, if p of a equal to 0, then p of x equal to what, x minus a into q of x. Okay, and plus you can write the 0 here. It means this x minus a will be what, the factor of this p of x. Okay, therefore x minus a is a factor of p of x. तो देखिए, मीन्स जैसे ही क्या होगा, रिमाइंडर मेरा 0 हो जाएगा, तो जो q of x को हम इस समय इग्नोर कर रहे हैं, we can say that the both are the factor of this number, but there will be a situation that q of x must be given in that question. So therefore you can say the x minus a is what, the factor of this p of x. Okay, but मीन्स क्या कहा कि अगर p of a कैसे भी करके मेरा 0 हो जा रहा है, तो x माइनस a मेरा एक फैक्टर निकल के आ रहा है. अब मान लीजिए उसने क्या कहा कि इसका रिवर्स क्या कह सकते हैं, मीन्स वी कैन से दैट द इफ x माइनस a इज द फैक्टर ऑफ दिस p of x, okay, then in that case p of x must be 0. How? Now see, if the next condition, if x minus a is a factor of p of x. मान लीजिए x माइनस ए क्या है, मेरा फैक्टर है इस p of x का, तब देन a will be what? What? Zeros of polynomial. Zeros of that polynomial got p of x. P of x. Now, at x equal to a, using this in equation number 1, let's suppose it's your a. Okay. No, it's your 2. And what was your a? That is r of x. Sorry, it's your r of x. R of x. It's your p of a for a particular remainder theorem. But what was the first equation? P of x equal to r of x minus a into q of x plus r of x. Okay. So in that case, मीन्स हमारी जो पहली इक्वेशन क्या रही होगी रिमाइंडर थ्योरम में, पी ऑफ एक्स इक्वल टू एक्स माइनस ए इंटू मीन्स एक्स माइनस ए इज व्हाट द जी ऑफ एक्स, ओके, इंटू क्यू ऑफ एक्स प्लस आर ऑफ एक्स. सो नाउ पी ऑफ एक्स p of a is what? In place of x we will write the a minus a into q of x plus r of x. Okay, from in equation number 1, here you will write in equation number 1, but here I have written on equation number 2, okay, not 1. So what is the first equation? P of x equal to means the general, or you can say the standard form of the P of x. ठीक, वो क्या है कि p of x इक्वल टू क्या था, g of x इंटू q of x प्लस r of x, और इन प्लेस ऑफ द g of x we have assumed that the power of any means the degree of any polynomial is greater or equal to 1. Okay, so means x minus a is here, the x minus a is what? The g of x. So x minus a into q of x plus r of x, we can write like this. Now the p of a in place of at x equal to a, the p of a equal to what? The a minus a into q of x plus r of x. ये सिचुएशन आएगी निकल के बेटा. Now the p of a it become 0 into q of x, q of a. Okay, here it is r of a plus r of a. Okay, say it's your constant, then it becomes 0. Suppose, so we can write like as the r, so plus r. ओके, सो सेकेंड सिचुएशन में अगर हम बात करें तो ये क्या निकल के आएगा, आर ऑफ ए मेरा क्या आएगा, पी ऑफ ए के बराबर ही आएगा, जो कि हमारा रिमाइंडर थ्योरम से हम ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट इसको कर चुके हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट सिचुएशन इज स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मिडिल टर्म्स. ओके, लेट्स सी द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मिडिल टर्म्स. I hope you are very familiar with the splitting of middle terms, because in your 8th standard I explained the factorization of any quadratic algebraic expression. Okay, quadratic polynomial. Here the splitting of middle term, SMT. Okay, now suppose let x square plus lx plus m be any polynomial, quadratic polynomial. What? Quadratic polynomial whose factors, or you can say whose zeros zeros are alpha and beta. Whose zeros are alpha and beta. मैंने क्या मान लिया कि मेरे पास एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है जिसका कि नाम क्या है एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एल एक्स प्लस एम, जिसका कि जिसके जीरोस क्या आ रहे हैं निकल के मेरे, यस, अल्फा एंड बीटा. ओके, नाउ so therefore we can write like me, therefore you can say that x minus x, okay, minus alpha, or suppose that the minus alpha and minus beta are the two zeros of that polynomial. So in this way you can say that the x plus alpha and x plus beta will be factor of this p of x, okay, क्या होंगे इस p of x के क्या हो जाएंगे, फैक्टर हो जाएंगे. now see means x square plus lx plus m equal to what, the x plus alpha and into x plus, yes, beta. I hope you got this one. ये जब भी आप इन दोनों का प्रोडक्ट करेंगे वो किसके इक्वलेट आएगा, इसके. ओके, नाउ डू द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज टू factors. So this become x square plus beta x alpha x plus alpha beta. Okay, now see x square, taking x as a common from these two terms, it become x. We can rearrange them like as, means it will be the beta plus alpha and alpha beta. Now rearrange them, alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Okay, here we got what, the x square plus lx plus m. Now comparing the coefficient of each side, दोनों तरफ के coefficient को हम क्या करेंगे इस बार कंपेयर कर लेंगे. ओके, कंपेयरिंग द coefficient of both sides. Now see, in place of x, l, x is here, so in place of l, the l equal to what, alpha plus beta. Okay, and in place of m you can write like what, alpha into beta. Okay, means this shows that this l is what, the sum of those two zeros. Okay, and this m shows what, m into 1. You can write like this, 1 and into 1 also. Okay, now, and what is 1 here, let's assume here is your 1. So it shows that the sum l is stand for what, the sum of two zeros. Okay, sum of two zeros, just ignore it. Okay, so l क्या है आपका, एक ऐसा नंबर रहेगा जो उन दो जीरोस के सम के इक्वल आएगा, एंड m, this m is what, you can say that the m क्या आएगा निकल के, वो उन्हीं दो जीरोस के प्रोडक्ट के इक्वल आएगा निकल. क्लियर? So it was your splitting of middle terms. So by the help of this splitting of middle terms you can easily solve the question. Okay, now come to the exercise. Okay, let's come to the exercise. Determine which of the in first question we are doing the first part. First listen the question. Determine which of the following polynomial has the x plus 1 a factor. कौन से polynomials के पास क्या है, ऐसा कौन सा polynomial है जिसका कि x plus 1 क्या आएगा, ये factor आएगा इनका. So we have p of x equal to what? X cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Okay, and if x plus 1 be the factor of p of x, then अगर मान लीजिए क्या होगा कि x अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, इफ x प्लस बी x प्लस 1 इज क्या है, x प्लस बी 1 आपका कोई फैक्टर है उस p of x का, देन माइनस 1 will be zeros of that polynomial, zeros of that p of x. Okay, that is p of minus 1 equal to what? 0. Now this implies p of minus 1, and what is the p of x? What was the p of x? Yes, minus 1 of q. In place of x we have to write down the minus 1 this time. Okay, so minus 1 of square plus minus 1 plus 1. The cube of minus 1 become minus plus, okay, it's your minus and it's your plus. Now the plus minus minus plus, okay, it becomes 0. Therefore, yes, we got the minus 1 equal to 0. Hence, you can say that the x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay, if the value of p of minus 1 does not equal to 0, then it shows what? It is means the x plus 1 will not the factor of that p of x. Okay, now come to the second question. Using the factor theorem, determine the g of x. Determine whether g of x is a factor of the p of x. Okay, it's very simple. In the same way you can do it. Okay. Now find the value of k in third question. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन था बेटा वो बिल्कुल ठीक ऐसा ही करना है आपको. क्या है ये जो आपको दे रखा था कि x plus 1 is what? Here the x plus 1 was what? Your g of x. Okay, so it was a way of solution through the factor theorem. Okay, now come to the question number 3, and in question number 3 what we have to do? To find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, now suppose so this time we will do the question number, okay, third part of this question number 3. We have x minus 1 is the factor of p of x, and what is the p of x? P of x equal to kx square plus minus root 2 x plus 1. Okay, now the condition, so we have the condition that this x minus 1 is the factor of p of x. ये दे रखा है कि x minus 1 क्या है, हमारा फैक्टर है. It is already given. Now p of 1 must be 0 as x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, this implies x minus वन अगर फैक्टर है तब वन क्या हो जाएगा आपका p of वन क्या आएगा निकल के बेटा जीरो आएगा. Now see, in place of x we will write the 1 and we will equate it to the 0. x 1 square minus root 2 of 1 plus 1 equal to 0. This implies, okay, we can write like this, the k square of 1 is 1, okay, minus root 2 into 1 is root 2 plus 1 equal to 0. This implies k equal to, whenever you will transfer this minus root 2 to that side and this plus to that side, then it will be like as, okay, sorry, minus, okay. So this is also the value of the x plus 1. Oh sorry, k. Clear? I hope you got the idea how to solve the such types of the question. Now in fourth question we have to factorize the term, okay, and which is based on your splitting of middle terms. जो कि क्या है आपकी splitting of middle terms के बेस क्वेश्चन है. Now see, I hope you are enjoying. Now here in first question, fourth one, okay, we have to factorize them, okay. So 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Now applying the middle splitting of middle terms means, see here the coefficient is 12, 1. This is the middle terms. So we have to assume the two factors in such a way that the product of these two and the sum of, means we have to assume two factors. Suppose that was the alpha and beta, okay. In such a way that the product of alpha and beta is what? The 12 into 1, that is 12 into 1 होना चाहिए. And the sum of the alpha beta क्या होना चाहिए? It must be minus 7 होना चाहिए. Okay, I hope you got the idea because we have learned this trick so many times in your previous standard also. Okay. Okay. Now come to the solution. This implies 12 into 1 is 12. So there are only one possibility, that the 3 and 4, the product of minus 3 and minus 4 is plus 12 and the sum of minus 3 and minus 4 become minus 7. So 12x square plus minus 4x plus the minus 3x, we can write like the minus 3x plus 1. Okay, now you can write like this also. Okay, so this 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Okay, now take 4x common from this term, you will get the 3x minus 1, and take the minus 1 common from this term, you will get what? The 3x minus 1. Okay, this implies the 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1 are the factor. Okay, it's your answer. I hope you got the idea how to solve such types of questions. Okay, now in next question, that is question number 5, it is going to be the most important. Okay, so it is your last question. So question number 5 is the last question of this exercise. So you have to be very careful about the solution of this question number 5. Suppose in question number 5 we will do the third part. So we have the p of x equal to what? X cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. Means here we have a cubic equation, okay, cubic polynomial. Now, so for the solution of such types of the question, we will look for this constant digits and we will try to find out the factor of this 20. Okay, let the factor of 20 as plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 4 minus 4 plus 5 minus 5 plus 10 और क्या हो सकते हैं बेटा plus 10 minus 10 and plus 20 minus 20. But we will not put 20 directly in this equation. Okay, if let assume not now p of, write down the p of minus 1. Now see, if we will write the 1 here, then it will never be a 0. Okay, if we will write the 1 here, then it may be, so we will write the minus 1 here. Okay, जब भी हम यहाँ पर केवल प्लस का 1 लगाएंगे, मीन्स p ऑफ 1 लगाएंगे, तब ये कभी बेटा 0 नहीं आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि सारे नंबर ऐड होते चले जाएंगे, बिकॉज देयर इज नो सब्ट्रैक्शन साइन. एंड जैसे ही आप क्या करेंगे माइनस 1 लगाएंगे, तो ये तो क्लियर हो गया कि द क्यूब ऑफ माइनस 1 इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव नंबर, एंड दिस द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ माइनस 1 टू द 32 इज ऑल्सो व्हाट? Yes, negative number. Okay, now see, so we will take the minus 1 digit here. Okay, so minus 1 is what? So minus 1 of cube plus 12 minus 1 is square plus 32 of minus 1 plus 20. Okay, now this time p of minus 1 equal to, this is going to be the minus 1, it will be your plus 13, because the square of minus 1 is what? The 1, plus, and product of these two, minus 32 plus 20. Okay, now take the same family, minus 33, and this is also a minus 33, it becomes 0. This implies you can say the p of minus 1 is the zeros of the polynomial. Therefore you can say the x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay, जब p of minus 1 क्या आया, आपका 0 आया, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि x plus 1 क्या होगा, इसका p of x का फैक्टर होगा. Now divide this p of x by x. Now further, now after that what we have to do here? Up to here it is clear. Now means x plus 1, प्लीज आप वीडियोस को पॉज करके देख लीजिएगा बेटा, बिकॉज देयर इज नो स्पेस. ओके, नो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम इरेजिंग इट. ओके, now x plus 1, now we will do what? We have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1, that is the factor of this one, 32. It is going to be the so long. Okay, now what we have to write here? The x square to make the x cube. x cube बनाने के लिए हमें x square रखना होगा. Now do it, x cube and plus x square. Now subtract it, minus minus cancel, means let us ja. Okay. Okay, now the 12x square plus 32x plus 20. So this time we have to write down the 12 here and with the x. Okay, so it will become the 12x square plus 12x. Now subtract it, minus minus ja, and okay, 20x plus 20. Now this time we will write the 20 here. Okay, it will become the 20x and 20. So yeah. Okay, now so we got the another factor. What another factor is what? Yes, x square plus 12x plus 20. Therefore another factor. Okay, don't write the another factor. Okay, we can write the q of x, g of x. So we got g of x, sorry, q of x equal to what? X square plus 12x plus 20. What is the q of x? This one. Okay, this one is your q of x. Now now do the factor of this q of x. Now taking q of x. So 12x plus 20. Now applying the splitting of middle terms means we have to take the two such factors by which the product of those two factors must be the 20 and the sum of those two factors must be what? 12. So you know the product 10 into 2 will become 20 and 10 plus 2 is 12. Okay. इस तो दो फोर फैक्टर कौन से होंगे 10 और 12 ले सकते हैं हम तो एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 10x प्लस 2x प्लस 20 ओके so x square taking x as a common from this and we will get the x plus 10 and here we can take the 2 as a common okay so this implies x plus 2 and x plus so therefore are the factor okay therefore the total factor of p of x equal to what? X plus 1, that was the previous one, this one, comma x plus 2 and x plus 10. Okay, it may be different as, from your answer sheet, but whenever you will write down the p of minus 1, p of minus 2 and p of minus 10, then you will get the p of those p of minus 1 or minus 2 and minus 10 must be 0. Okay, okay beta. So this is enough for today, and now from tomorrow we will do the next exercise. Thank you beta.